In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a frame in WordPress using Elementor. This is useful for embedding content like videos or other external elements directly into your page. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Pages section. Find the page you want to edit and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor where you can design your page using drag and drop tools. Once inside the editor, look at the panel on the left side of the screen. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type HTML into the search box, and the HTML widget will appear in the results. Now, drag the HTML widget from the panel and drop it into the section of the page where you want your iframe to appear. You can place it anywhere depending on your layout. Next, you'll need the iframe code. For example, if you're embedding a video from YouTube, click the Share button under the video and select Embed. Copy the iframe code provided. Go back to Elementor, click inside the HTML widget and paste the iframe code into the input field. As soon as you paste it, the embedded content will appear on your page. Finally, review how it looks and click Update to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully added an iframe to your page in WordPress using Elementor, allowing you to display rich external content easily.